Hello, fellow content creators! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of YouTube and exploring the journey to make millions. Firstly, let's understand that there's no magic wand for success. It takes a combination of effort, creativity, and persistence to achieve this milestone. Start by brainstorming your unique idea. Whether it's a vlog, tutorials, reviews, or gaming content, find something you're truly passionate about. This passion will shine through in your videos and keep you motivated for the long haul. Next, gear up with good quality equipment that suits your niche. This could be a high-resolution camera for vlogs or a gaming mic for gaming content. Investing in this will help you create high-quality content that keeps your viewers coming back for more. Now comes the fun part, creating engaging and enjoyable content. This means understanding your audience and tailoring your videos to their preferences. Keep experimenting with new formats and topics to stay fresh and relevant. Consistency is critical when it comes to growing a channel and an audience. Stick to a regular upload schedule and maintain quality across all your videos. Lastly, promote your channel through social media channels like Twitter or Instagram. Collaborate with other creators in your niche and participate in events such as YouTube fan festivals. These are powerful tools that can significantly boost the growth of your channel and audience base. Remember, making millions is not just about the money, but also about the impact you can have on people's lives through your content. It's about creating value for your viewers by providing them with entertainment or knowledge they need in their daily lives. Thank you so much for joining me today on this journey. If you found this video helpful and want more tips on becoming a successful YouTuber, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of digital content creation.